Is nattokinase an effective treatment for spike protein detox associated with COVID-19 vaccines? No, that's not true. COVID vaccines are not shown to be toxic, so it is not necessary to detox from them. Nattokinase is a soybean supplement that is not monitored in the US, and as of August 2023, experts recommend avoiding it. Furthermore, the study cited as proof was performed in lab cell cultures, not in people, so its results are not applicable to humans. Scientific evidence does not suggest that nattokinase can impact COVID vaccines, infection or the associated spike protein in humans, an expert told Lead Stories. A version of the claim was shared in a post on Instagram published on August 7, 2023. Below is how it appeared at the time of writing. Source: Instagram screenshot taken Wednesday, August 9, 6 hours 39 minutes and 0 seconds Coordinated Universal Time 2023. The above post implies that the supplement nattokinase effectively counteracts the SARS-CoV-2 spike protein, which enables the virus to infect human cells. The claims are based on a Substack blog post published on February 21, 2023, by Dr. Peter McCullough, a cardiologist who is affiliated with a website that sells nattokinase supplements. In his Substack post, Dissolution of Spike Protein by Nattokinase, McCullough cited a 2022 study titled, Degradative Effect of Nattokinase on Spike Protein of SARS-CoV-2, to argue that nattokinase can degrade the spike protein of SARS-CoV-2, making it the holy grail of COVID-19 vaccine detoxification. The caption on a video shared on Instagram on July 14, 2023, attributes to McCullough the following: nattokinase is the only enzyme we're aware of right now that dissolves the spike protein. Carrie Debbing, a molecular microbiologist and immunologist at Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health, confirmed to Lead Stories that the 2022 study findings are not applicable to humans. This study was done in cell culture and does not tell us anything about what treatment with nattokinase would do in the context of vaccination or infection, Debbing told Lead Stories in an email received on August 11, 2023. There are many things that can degrade a virus in cell culture that do not have any relevance to working the same way in a biological system for many reasons, including toxicity, route of administration, and dose. The cited study was conducted in vitro, or in a lab setting. Not in humans. Stanley Perlman, a professor of microbiology and immunology at the University of Iowa Carver College of Medicine, studies the development of coronavirus infections, including SARS-CoV-2. He confirmed that nattokinase may degrade the spike protein in a lab setting. However, the concentration needs to be at a sufficient level and localized with the spike protein in the cell for degradation to occur. So, the science is correct, but the claim is exaggerated, Perlman wrote Lead Stories in an email received on August 13, 2023. He added that the proteases, or enzymes that break down proteins, in nattokinase are never present in sufficient quantities to reproduce lab results, in vitro, in humans, in vivo. Similarly, there is no evidence, or expectation, that nattokinase will affect vaccine efficacy, Perlman said. Lead Stories searched through PubMed, the National Institutes of Health, NIH, online database that indexes 1 million biomedical and health-related scholarly titles, and found that there are no published animal models or clinical studies regarding nattokinase and SARS-CoV-2. So, any claims that nattokinase could be used therapeutically in humans with SARS-CoV-2 are not supported by scientific data at this point in time, Debbing added. Health Feedback, a World Health Organization-validated global network of scientists fact-checking health and medical news, reported that results from the study cited in McCullough's post may not reflect what happens in the human body. Supplements are not to be used for treatment unless under doctor's direction. In an email to Lead Stories received on August 11, 2023, the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, referred us to the agency's Dietary Supplement Ingredient Directory, a webpage where the public can look up ingredients used in products marketed as dietary supplements and quickly find what the FDA has said about that ingredient and whether the agency has taken any action with regard to the ingredient. As of August 11, 2023, nattokinase is not included in the FDA directory, nor is it authorized by the agency as a COVID treatment. The NIH Office of Dietary Supplements also does not include nattokinase on its website. Dietary supplements are meant as additions to a person's diet or lifestyle, such as vitamins or amino acids. The FDA warns that, quote,